I just called 911 to get this guy help west of Jonesboro off the county road here. Just blew him off the road. Intense thunder blizzard underway. Absolutely whiteout conditions. Full-scale blizzard near Jonesboro, northwest of Jonesboro. Intense thunder, snow, S plus, winds gusting to about 50 miles an hour. This is Walnut Ridge, Arkansas. I mean, it is a blizzard mania here. We got 18-wheeler stuck here. He jackknifed, he flew off the road. This is just south of the ridge here. He's off the road. We got other 18-wheelers up here, jackknife. Oh my gosh. It's like crazy. Alright, man, we're helping everybody here. I'm not gonna shoot you. Everybody's stuck over Pine Ridge, aren't we? Alright, we're getting out of here. Everybody's stuck here.